Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm at OWA for the Labor Day weekend fireworks show. Let's see. There's the OWA sign back there. I'm sorry. I gotta get a new case for when I do vlogging. Anyway, I know my hair's all messed up. But I'm hoping to eat at the Groovy Goat. And maybe get some footage of the park again. And then maybe something else if I don't forget about it. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, the fireworks show. Usually I come to OWA for the fireworks show because I love recording fireworks shows, especially my backyard shows. But anyway, hey, let's go have some fun, all right? All right, everybody, so that's the restaurant I came from. I do apologize about my phone case in advance. This is the phone case I have, and it's been beat up, dropped, you name it. So, but let's just take around. Oh, I do apologize. I will get a new case soon. It's just for vlogging for y'all. So anyhow, let's see what's going on at OWA. So back over there is Tropic Falls. Get the tickets there. The arcade is actually hooked up to the Groovy Goat. And then that building there is just the Hershey chocolate store. This is called Sweet Tooth. They got candy and stuff. If you ever been down the Gulf Shores, you've seen Alvin's Island before, next door to Souvenir City. Outdoor Patio is another restaurant. I've walked in it before. I was trying to find a restaurant to eat at, but the wait time was really ridiculous. This is back in, oh goodness, I think New Year's? The last time I was at OWA. And this is Toys Under 20. It's a toy store. Bikini Millennium Bakery is a new one. This one's been here for a good while here. See, this one's called Town Tap. It's more of a British, because you got the guard. I'm taking it's a British style restaurant. And they got a Starbucks over here. Splash pad for the kids. The band I play in, the Baldwin Pops, we actually had a concert right here on top of the splash pad. That was in 22, and it was hot that day. Because I was at a Comic Con that day. I was at MobiCon. This used to be Aunt and no, this is Cinnabon. This used to be Cinnabon here. This used to be Cinnabon. There's the Speakeasy Waffles Are Wild restaurant. Oh yeah, it's up on now. This is Slappin' Dax. It's like a alcoholic beverage drink restaurant style. You won't ever see me drinking any alcoholic drinks, trust me. Over there is the pickleball court, over there. Theater is over here. We're approaching a restaurant that came and went, and I've eaten at it a few times, but it's no longer here. It's now called the Storybook Manor. Hey, this used to be Paula Dean's restaurant, and I had the honor to meet her in 2019, and it was the best time I ever had. I ended up crying because me and my grandmother used to watch her show on Food Network along with Emeril Lagasse and Mario Batali, Iron Chef America. Remember those shows? Yeah, I'm dating myself here, y'all, but yeah, This used to be Paula Dean's restaurant. I hate that it's gone though, because I really love that restaurant. And now I'm headed to where I need to set up at.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What an opener. That's an opener. Y'all threw a curveball at me this time. I'm having a hard time squeezing in all this in my phone. watched any of my shows that I've recorded on YouTube, my backyard you'll know about hang time for willows because they hang and they have a lot of duration on them depending on the size of them. Oh, snapper. Okay. Sorry, y'all, I can't get the other cake that's farther to the left of my phone. I did not know they were going to throw this at me, so they threw a curveball at me, and I can't wait until, oh, well, thank you. Oh, I like this. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so nice. I like how the rings change color. Look. Do a set of cakes to the left and then to the right of me, facing the main part of the show. That's what I wish they would do. They have them to the left, but I wish they had some to the right. But I think there's a reason why for that. They only have it to the left. Safety. That's a low burst. Crackling palms, crackling stars. I love stuff that crackles. Oh, love the fallen leaves effect.
baby.
Well, OWA, you did not disappoint me at all, nor my YouTube followers. But y'all did throw me a curveball. Y'all surprised me this time. But, all right, everybody. I'm Jedi Master Arden. I know it's getting dark out. Let me get to light here. I'm Jedi Master Arden at TI18623. Well, if I can, and I will see y'all in the next fireworks show video or my next In the Life of a Jedi series. So keep up with that, and then I will see y'all